All right, today's video is going to be really quick, without any structure, without any, without any script. So, I've built this voice agent for this dental clinic. The AI virtual receptionist that answers their phones and book appointment. So you could come to their website and you will see their phone number, and you could call this phone number, and she's going to respond. Her name is Ella. So she's going to ask you, check up with you, ask you about your pain and treatment, and she is going to find a slot in the calendar and is going to book you a consultation appointment with the dental practice or dentist. You could call this number, or you could chat with her with the widget here. So I'm going to ask her hi, and she's going to respond. If she said hi, it's going to respond, and you could chat and you could upload a document, you could call. So I'm just going to call her in a real quick way, and then to see how we are going to build this from scratch. And for those who don't know me, my name is Mahmoud Hussein. I run Mizan AI, where I help businesses implement AI into their business. So we build many voice agents, we build many AI systems for e-commerce, marketing, lead generation, recruitment, qualification, etc., etc. So here's our workflow. Usually looks like you just book a free call, a free discovery call, and then we map out how AI can be implemented into your business, where you are wasting time and you are probably wasting money. It will make you increase your ROI and then decrease your time spent. So from 20 hours to 10 hours, then probably to 2 hours. And then we design a solution, as I said, on the map we have built together, or the wireframe, and then we deploy it and you grow your business. So just come to Mizan AI, pick a free discovery call, and we are going to do all of that. So the discovery call, the wireframing is all free. So see you in there. Let's just test this voice agent in a real quick way and then see how we are going to build this. Let me just call her.
Good morning, you're through to Northgate Dental Care. This is Ella speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, Ella.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
Well, I want to book an appointment for today. Is there any slot available?
Are you experiencing any pain? Or is this for a checkup or treatment inquiry? And are you a new or...
It's for checkup.
Okay, got it. Let me just have a look at the diary for you. 1 second. Yes, we do have some availability today. I could offer you 10 o'clock this morning or perhaps 10:30. How do those sound?
10 o'clock today.
Excellent. And are you a new patient with us or have you visited Northgate Dental Care before?
No, this is my first time.
Lovely, thank you. Could I please get your full name, email address, and a contact number for the booking?
My name is Mahmoud Hussein. My email address is mah@gmail.com. My contact is...
No!
Thank you, Mahmoud. Just to confirm, your email address is mah@gmail.com and your phone number is 897. Is that all correct?
Yes.
Just popping that in the diary for you. All right, Mahmoud, your checkup is booked for today at 10 o'clock. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. For new patients, we just ask that you arrive about 5 minutes early to fill out a short medical history form. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
You're very welcome, Mahmoud. We look forward to seeing you later.
All
Goodbye
right.
for now.
Bye, thank you. All right, she sounds lovely. She sounds like a real human, but she's AI. So I'm going to check the email she sent me. I don't know, my email is loading. Yeah, there's an email. A new patient dental. So a new consultation between Mahmoud Hussein and Mahmoud Hussein. Because this is still in my calendar. So between Mahmoud Hussein and Mahmoud Hussein. So yeah, this was the email sent. As you can see, I have who, the organizer is me, and the guest is also me. And then where is 14 Northgate Leeds. So free 30 minutes, and then you have additional node information. So this was a voice agent on how we are going to build this. So this voice agent is from ElevenLabs and the phone number is from Twilio. So let me just show you a workflow in Canva real quick. So I have built this wireframe in Canva and I'm going to show you how it's going to work. So we get the voice agent from ElevenLabs and then the phone number from Twilio, and then we configure them together, and that giving us a voice agent. So this voice agent could pick up the phone calls and also the widget in the website, and then we connect that to Google Calendar the business Google Calendar, and it's going to check availability, check the slots, create event, and then even if there is no availability, it's going to tell there's no availability for today's or for this week. So yeah, it's going to check the calendar and will stay up to date. So this is how the voice agent is built. 11 Lab voice, toil your phone number, and then that gives us a virtual AI receptionist, and we configure it with Google Calendar. It's very simple, very straightforward. So I'm going to look at this voice agent inside my 11 Lab. As you might see, I am inside 11 Lab called 11 agent, not 11 creative. So inside 11 agent, I have many agents here, but you might notice I have Northgate Dental Care Ella. So I'm going to go inside and you will see we have an appointment booked for today. So this was today, appointment was booked at 6 p.m. So I'm going to configure the agent. You might see the system prompt. I gave her system prompt, her personality, you are Ella, receptionist at Northgate Dental Care, a dental practice in Leeds, and then the environment, you answer the phone for Northgate Care callers, and then either they are in pain, new patient, treatment inquiries. It's going to answer these questions, and a lot of very, very long system prompts. So at last we have guardrails. So, and also it's going to book the appointment in the calendar, as I said. So this is the agent and this is the system prompt. We could change the voice from here. So we could change the voice, for example, language, English, accent, British, category, social media, and then the gender, male or female. So the voice is female, as you might notice. I don't know where she, yeah, here's she.
That sounds wild. I can't believe it. Shall we?
So that's Ella. Her name here is, I don't know.
Hello everyone, welcome to
So there are a lot of voices. You could clone your voice as well if you have, like, I don't know, if you want to clone your voice and use it as a receptionist or a virtual receptionist for you, you could also clone your voice and start using it here instead of this pre-existed or pre-recorded voices. So you could also change the voice setting from here. The expressiveness, the more expressive is, the more sound like a human, the more consistent, the more sound like a robot. And then you have a speed and then similarity. I like to keep them in the middle a little bit. So the stability or the expressiveness, I like to keep it at 50, and then the similarity always high, and then the speed, keep it at normal speed, so it sounds like a human. And then you have many things. You have tools where you configure your Google Calendar. You might notice I have you could add a new tool from here. Yes, you see I have a Google Calendar, and you could add a new tool, and there are 3 ways to add tools: webhook, client tool, or integration tool. Go to integration tools, and you might notice I have cal.com. Cal.com is a booking system as well, and I connected cal.com to my Google Calendar. So it's going to book in Cal, and then the appointment will show in Google Calendar. Or you might just connect directly to Google Calendar instead. So you directly connect your Google Calendar, and we are very good to go. And then we have knowledge base. This is where you add a RAG, or configure your RAG or document about your business. For this dental practice, if they have document about their business, how their business operate, they could add it here. And then the memory as well. This is beta, alpha. So yeah, and then we have many things. We have like workflows, branches. Here you see the analytic of your AI agent, and also we have guardrails, and the widget you have just seen it is here. So the widgets move underneath channels. So when you go underneath channels, you will see you could also add this voice to your website, not to your website, to WhatsApp, and the widget into your website, and Zendesk for like if you want a voice for customer support, in Slack channel, Telegram, etc., etc. But this is a widget. You could customize this widget. So that widget I have added to this website. How? By taking this 11Lab agent ID and add it into this website code. So inside the backend code, I added this agent ID or embedded code. So this is the widget setting. You could change the color, brand it. If you have an image for your brand, you could add here as well. And if you just want to change the color, you could change it for dental practice. I don't know, maybe a little bit greenish like this. Anyway, here's how you can change the color. So here's the enable term and condition. So if a customer wants to talk to your AI agent, they have to accept this term and condition, or you could just enable it. And then what else? There are many settings here. So there are many settings about this voice agent or this widget. So you could also enable something, I don't know, if you don't want this widget to be abused, you could enable how many conversations with the client this agent could have. So there's setting here, but I couldn't find it. Anyway, I'm going to go to this outbound call and inbound call. So this is the phone number for her, and I'm going to call myself here just to show you her voice. So I'm going to give my phone number, and I'm going to Northgate Plumbing or Northgate Dental Care, and I'm going to call myself to see. So call is initiated, and I'm going to receive a call. So yeah, I received the call, and that is her phone number. This is outbound call. An inbound call, I'm going to call myself again with another phone. So I'm going to call her with this phone number, and she's going to respond as well. So this is her phone number, and I'm going to call her now.
Good morning, you're through to Northgate Dental Care. This is Ella speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, Ella. I want to book an appointment for today. I want a checkup.
Of course, I can help you with that. Let me just have a look at the diary for you. One moment. Okay, for today, Monday the 3rd of August, I have a few slots available. I could do 10:30 this morning, or there's also a 3 o'clock this afternoon. Do either of those work for you?
Yes, I think afternoon or for today.
Okay, so the 3 o'clock slot this afternoon, Monday the 3rd of August, does that work for you?
Yes.
Lovely. Could I please get your full name, email address, and best phone number? This is for your booking confirmation.
Yes, my name is Mahmoud Hussein, and my phone number is L70907, and my email address is mah@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mahmoud. Just to confirm, your email address is mah@gmail.com, is that right? And your phone number is 070907.
Yes.
Okay, just popping that in the diary for you.
Oh, all right, thank you.
All right, Mahmoud. Your checkup is booked for today, Monday the 3rd of August.
All right.
At 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Bye. All right, as you might see, another appointment is being booked for me inside my Google Calendar, and that's the first one. I call her with the widget, and this is the second one. I call her with the phone number. So this is how I built this voice agent right now. Previously, I was building this voice agent was Vapi, but I found that Vapi is kind of, I don't know, wacky sometimes. So I switched to this simple workflow. Get the phone number from Twilio and configure it with ElevenLabs voice, and then connect it to any tool you are using. Maybe Google Calendar, cal.com. I don't know, your customer support agent. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it useful. If you do, don't forget to like and share the video. See you in the next one. Peace.